Hello everyone, welcome back to ExcelSheet. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add error bars in Microsoft Excel. So let's get into the video. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the data you want to add. Now click on the chart and go to the chart tools. From the chart tool, go for layout. Now you will find out error bars in the analysis group. Click on it and a drop-down may appear. Now from this drop-down menu, select the type of error bars you want to add, such as a standard error or percentage. Now select one and here we have the error bars. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at ExcelSheet. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.